So for our next activity, it'll be perform SQL injection. So the first thing we're going to do is balik po tayo sa ating Burp Suite and open the browser and then i-locate natin yung login form ng Altoro Mutual. Tapos, once na nasa login form na tayo, let's enter some test credentials and capture the request with Burp Suite. And then, we're going to modify the parameters using the following SQL injection payload. And then, forward the request and check if we bypass authentication. So, test user. And then, let's just hit login. And palitan lang natin yung UID ng ito. Let's just paste it here. Same with the password. And let's hit forward. So, naka-bypass tayo sa authentication. So, after forwarding the modified request, we observed that the server granted access without verifying valid credentials. So this happened because the SQL query executed by the server was manipulated to always return true. So this activity illustrates how attackers can exploit poor input validation to access restricted areas of a website, extract sensitive data, or even alter databases. So it emphasizes the importance of using parameterized queries, input sanitization, and secure coding practices to prevent SQL injection attacks and protect web applications from serious security breaches.